What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to be installing these side window louvers. I can see I've already installed one. You can see that's what they look like. They're like little vents, and then if you get in the car you can see you cannot really see through them, but you like kind of barely can. So you can probably see if there's a car there, but that's not really a spot I look through anyways. But I accidentally ordered these because I was trying to use like free eBay money, and I was like testing it on these because I had them saved. And then I accidentally ordered them and they wouldn't let me cancel my order or return them. And they're only like $20. So here's a video installing them. It was super easy to do. I guess it kind of looks cool, kind of looks more aggressive. So we'll see if I like them and leave them there. They're just kind of like thin plastic, and they come with this tape, which surprisingly is not bad. Usually cheap tape like that is pretty bad, but it's pretty sticky. I don't think they're coming off. They fit perfectly too. Like they fit all the way around perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and we'll take all this to the other side. I'm gonna use a microfiber towel to dry the other side off because it is raining. But you can see it comes with 2 of these alcohol wipes. It says adhesion promoter. I don't really think this is necessary, so I'm not going to use them because I don't really want them to get too stuck on there anyways, so I'll probably take them off. I'm just going to get some detail spray and just wipe it off. That'll be enough to keep it clean, just kind of get the dirt and water off of there. And I'm putting tape to where it's not on that sticker so it doesn't mess that up, so I can just use a razor on the window if sticky stuff gets stuck to it. But there's the roll of tape, and here's what it looks like. It's just gloss plastic from eBay. You just look up like Focus ST Louvers and you can see there's the back. So I'm going to go ahead and put the tape on it and show you where I actually end up putting the tape. So here's where I put the tape on mine. On the other one that felt like more than enough to stick it on. And you can see it'll just fit in there like that. And I didn't put any along the bottom because I have that sticker there. So I'm going to go ahead and peel the protective film off and stick it on. So here it is, completely on. It's pretty solid. I'm not going to worry about it coming off. It feels like it is stuck on there. That's pretty much it. Just kind of a cheap aesthetic mod that makes you not be able to see out of your windows as much. So I'll probably just take a few pictures with them and then take them off. But that's pretty much it. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.